ProfitBot review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called ProfitBot. So let's try to see the sales page, which is not available right now. So it's under construction, you can say, and when the product will be live on 22nd of July, I guess the sales page will be live. So how do you come to the right sales page? For that you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab ProfitBot copy here. Click on that link, then you will be taken to the live sales page, but we will see the demo video and understand what you can create using the software. So this is your 2 minutes long demo video. Just wait and see yourself what are you going to buy or pay for, and whether you want this product or not. If you just want my bonuses, then make sure you watch the video till the end. I don't discuss about the bonuses in the beginning, so you have to watch the video till the end and then you will know what bonuses and how you can get them, because sometimes you might not need the product for which we are doing the review, but still you might want the bonuses. So whether you want this product or not, if you just want the bonuses, go and grab the copy using my link below and watch the video till the end to know how to make real money online. So these are the bots you can create using this software, and then you can do some affiliate marketing. So here you can recommend them whatever, and this is your affiliate link, and if they buy, you make some money, I guess. So this is what you will be creating using this software, the chatbot, including your affiliate links, and you can find products from Varya Plus, Launchpad, or any other marketplace. Everything is right in front of you. That's your affiliate link. Lose weight while asleep. Okay. Now you click on create offer and you got the page, I guess. So yeah, you can choose your marketplace from here. That's your Launchpad JV. You have some content generator, I guess, for Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Generating the content, as you can see, to post on social media. Okay, I guess we're done. There you go. So you have seen the demo video, and sales page doesn't really matter. So go and click the link below my video. When the product goes live, you will come to the sales page and go and buy using my link below. And I'll give you some discount coupon code. As you can see, use these coupon codes to get some discounts. $3 discount, use this coupon code. $5 discount, use this coupon code. 20% off, use this coupon code, okay? And my bonuses are already linked with the sales page, as you can see here. So when you go and buy this using my link, you will get the bonuses automatically delivered, okay? Then these are the OTOs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 OTOs. Pick and choose whatever you need. And as I said, whether you want this software or not, if you want the bonuses, then you have to go and buy using my link below, okay? So that's it. Now, if you want to know what my bonuses are, how to get them, then just watch the video till the end. Alright humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material, okay? So review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Varya Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you, okay? Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.